So just completed a polish and wax detail job on this. We're at a Dungeness spit area of Sequim, Washington. You should have this done once a year at least. To fill in to get the oxidation off of your car and put the dirt out of the pores and put wax instead inside of the pores, and it protects the paint. I also wax the plastic and the rubber also too, because that needs it. Detailing is more than just making your car look good. It's protecting the investment for the future is what it is. That's the way I look at it. So make your car look good longer, and not just the exterior, the interior too, because the interior needs to be kept up as well. Leather seats, carpet, it lasts longer and it feels good when you get in your car too. This job took 3 hours. And you have to, I include the windows. You have to have the windows cleaned every few months. You should, because there's buildup that builds up on the windows. So I always do the windows to get the buildup off of the windows. She bought this car when it was brand new. Brand new cars don't come with polish and wax. People think that they do, but they don't. So the brand new cars actually need to get polished and waxed, so